Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to split video in CapCut PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to split video in CapCut PC. When you are in your project, you need to add the video to the timeline. Just click in the plus icon and then just select where you want to split the audio. Okay, for example from here, then just go to this icon. You see here, select or split. Just click on it and then split. Yeah, after that here just right click and then cut. Yeah, it's done. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to split video in CapCut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.